earthquake occur. There are four major reasons for that. One is man-made, next is volcanoes, and then is plate tectonics. What is it? Plate tectonics and faulting. Okay, so I told you yes. You know, man-made earthquake and they'll go for the, so first major is they go for the explosives. They dig the hole and put so much of explosives in that. Why that they'll put these explosives? To loosen the soil. Okay, rock is there. A big rock is there. They want to cut the rock. So what they do? They drill some hole in that and put the explosives and make them to blast so that the cracks will be created on the rock. Then slowly they can hammer it off. But they want to just have a crack on the rock. Then they can. This explosive is very it gives out so much of vibration on the earth's surface. Next one though, they go for the testing of nuclear weapons. Okay, they want to show the world that we are also expert in we also have nuclear weapons. So how strong it is, how big area it can destroy, and also they can to show them. They just go for trial marker. So our trial now the trial is viewed by all over the world. So they have what is it? They can spoil this much of area, this much of fire you can get. Okay, this they show the strength. Okay, so nobody should come in our don't interfere in our country. Otherwise, we have the big weapon. This is a man-made earthquake. Next is a volcano. So we told, discussed that whenever the volcano is coming out, it comes out with a big sound and big vibration and all. Because it's coming from the bottom, from the core it is coming. Those magma and lava is coming from the core. So the big rocks is it's like some kilometers together. The thickness of the rock will be some this much of kilometers is so allinda to break those rocks and comes out. Andre, it is like when you go deep and we can get thick solid rocks lengthwise and breadthwise also you can have big rock. So our rock now, it has to break the rock and comes out. Mud okay. Mud is easy, but our rock and soil rock break so our rock break just when the vibration is going up. Cracks happening, cracks create then it comes with the high sound, heavy sound and high vibrations. That also shakes the earth. So either shakes. It is the earthquake on the plus point. Okay, we can have a frequent earthquakes. Okay, yearly once 2 years once every month okay, as the earth has some movement inside, some movement is happening below under the earth. But can you feel those things? As the earth surface is getting weaker and weaker and weaker, cracks just you can feel it. Okay, you can feel the small movement in the earth inside the earth also. We can feel it. Small movement is you can feel it because the surface, the foundation, surface is not stable, strong, it's weaker because we are made them weaker. Yes, because we can't feel it. Because our rock is made up of a what rock? Very strong rock, I told. Basaltic rock. Okay, as a rock bandu, it is ella kadenu ide rock hogodu. Wherever the volcanoes hogutte, wherever the volcanoes erupt, there are all same type of lava ne hogutte. Lava only flow, same type of lavas. But what makes a rock different? That the way it cools down. The way it cools down, very slow and steady cools agitane, we get a basaltic rock. It is also called igneous rock. This basaltic rock is also called a igneous rock. Some people change that. For example, it gets very fast cooling there. Then we can say it is a metamorphic rock. So cooling will burn. How it cools, that will depend on what rock it will form. Understood? So this is a then plate tectonics. What it says, the earth crust consists of many major minor plates. These plates are not stationary. The plates boundaries are dynamic places and are the primary locations of the earthquake activity. So I told you earth crust is made up of many plates. Small plates is made up of. The plates will be moving always. That is, I told you initially when the earth formed, it was one single mass. How it broken alga? So many islands, so many islands are formed. Alga? Why? There's some movement because it's not stable. Those plates are whenever you drink water, just ask and drink. Okay? So whenever that movement, some activities happening below the earth crust, and these plates start moving. Okay? If you move out, when it's moving, this plate will what is it? Collide. Movement and it will hit some other plate and it will come closer to this plate and hit that plate. So hit madavaga we get the major vibration. This also causes the earthquake. This is on the plate faulting. So I told you this if it strikes, okay. But the force is so big that one plate will go inside. This is called faulting. Just imagine the huge energy. Is it no? Two plates are coming together. Is to force it has come together. Still, the energy force is there. So, but this will go up, this will go inside, or this will go up, this will go inside. So, as to force it is there. Okay, it's called faulting. Understood? Just collide something and no problem. Just sound it's an earthquake. Earthshock. What's earthquake? Sudden shock. Okay. So, our plates bandu collide adunu shock agutte. If holdru shock agutte. Or force faulting adunu is a shock. A vibration. Tremors. Okay. This is cause of the earthquake. Then we have the earthquake waves. Okay. So earthquake, vibration bandu, it has come. Idu waves bandu, earthquake it has begun. Now the traveling, enga travel aagta ide. So you tie a rope. One pole is there. You tie a rope and hold like this. Okay. You have a pole there. Tie a rope. Hold this one end of the rope, and if you do like this, how the rope will travel? The point of energy is here, but the waves is moving up and down, right? This is called a longitudinal wave. Understood? It goes ups and downs and travels through them. So this is a longitudinal, goes ups and downs. Next is a transversal wave. This wave we can see in the wind. When trees are there, okay, beetle trees we can see very clearly. Yeah, I tell you. So when we see the beetle, adike, mara, beetle net, mara is the trees there, no? It will be like this, no? Like it will be like this, okay? Okay, like a rose, like it's like a big field full of this tree. So just imagine what will happen when the wind blows. One kadene no. Wind is blowing across it. What happened? This one example. Another example. Spring is there. Spring is big pen spring. Take some more big spring like this. Okay. You just compress it. Just push like this. What will you see? Don't compress very hardly. Just try to compress some little bit. What you see there? See, it will be compressed like this, then compress like this, then like this. Compress here. This is how it gets compressed. You can test. Just push part. It compressed here. Okay. Same thing happens in this tree also. When the wind blows, it will go up and come back. It will go and come back. This will go and come back. So what happened? This just imagine this is a tree, sir. What happened? This come near. This will like this. Then it goes like this. It will come near. Understood? The trees are like this, sir. Okay. This will go like this. This will come like this. Four trees will compress. They will come together. Then they leave the place. Understood? Yes. So first this will go away. This will compress. This will go like this. This will come like this. Understood, children? This is called transverse. You can see this like this also on the when you see the top view. You see the top view also. We can see that 4 trees coming together like this, and then they go leave the place like this. There's a gap here. Now this will go like this. No, this will go. Then other 4 trees will come together and leave the place. This will happen continuously. It is not that all the trees will one side of the. If one tree is there, you can see those things. But many trees like that, no, rows and columns is arranged like this. So what is it when the air blows? It's called compression and rarefication. Okay. So what happened? 4 trees come together. They leave the place. Then this plant joint done those 2. Okay. This leaves then come together like this. So this is called a transverse wave. In the transverse wave, you can see this in the sound also. Okay, sound is travel. So what happened? This is a longitudinal wave. So earthquake will travel in 3 ways. One is a longitudinal, like goes travels like this also. Okay, on the surface also it travels. We'll see what it is. Okay. The waves which is travels longitudinal, it is called the primary wave. It's very fast. It's going like this, very fast. It's very fast. It can travel in liquid, solid, and gas. What wave? Longitudinal wave or primary wave. It can travel through solid, liquid, and gas. This is very fast. This can travel like if one sheet of metal is there, iron is there. If the bullet is very fast, it will go inside and yes or no? If bullet is very slow, it will hit and come back. It will fall down. Okay, so that wave is very fast. It can go through all the liquid, solid liquid and gas. Secondary wave, it is a slow. Comparatively, it is a slow. It travels the transverse way in this way. Okay, I told you the beetle nut trees. Okay, they come together in a group. They leave together, leave and gap. This will go and join. So there are 4 or 5 trees together. They leave this way. This is how the transverse waves travel. This is a slow wave. It cannot travel in water. It cannot pass through the liquid. Okay. Only liquid it can't pass through the soil also. Liquid only can't pass this. It can't pass through the soil also. It can pass only in the gas. Only in the gas. So the surface experiencing or accounting this type of transverse wave we get less damage if those waves are transverse. If the waves are going in the transverse way it causes less damage. Why? It can't pass through soil. It can't pass through solid. Only liquid is open. So full of rock, so we get less damage. But only the long primary wave method is very strong and very fast and it can pass through solid, liquid and gas. So there is a damage causing. Primary wave is a damage causing. Understood, children? Yes. So transverse wave it cannot pass through liquid also, then only gas. Okay, liquid also can't pass through. Only the gas. Only gas. But this child is laughing. So only putting his hands in the pocket and laughing. So my sound is more than that sound, huh? No. Then last is a surface wave. What is the surface wave? Surface wave also called a long wave. Long wave. What is called a long wave? A long wave long wave see fastest wave small frequency. Long wave more frequency. Okay, so it will not travel as swift as a primary wave because it's a long wave cannot travel very fast. Okay, long wave they are the slowest earthquake waves, but they are responsible for the highest destruction of the on the earth's surface. Although it cannot travel very long distance, but it is very long. The wave is very long. That is what a wave is coming up, coming down, coming up and down there. It is causing more destructions. Okay, so less frequency see somebody is shout like
it is not harmful, not surface wave.
It's harmful, causing more destruction, long wave.
But it is slowest.
Slowest. It can't travel to some distance. Okay. See, just imagine, let's see that. When you shout in a shrill voice, shrill talk, you make some shrill sound and it will travel so many distance, so long distance. When you say louder, it don't travel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shrill sound will travel because a small frequency will travel. long waves means it will not travel farther, but what happened?
It will be loud.
Causing damage to our ears. Still sound ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೀಚ್ಕೋ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ಒಂದು sound. It will travel faster, but not causing much damage. But long, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ bold ಆಗಿ talk, shout. Okay, somebody is shouting in the ears ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, shouting in the ears ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not traveling, but it is causing damage to ears. Okay, so longitudinal waves are slow, but slow ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is not damage, it is not traveling ಅಂತ. Not traveling more distance. Whatever. Yeah, because it's very slow on Krishna. Whatever damage only in this place. It is not traveling. It is not going to some small area only does damage, causing damage. Because all energy is living here. Primary wave under it is energy. It is passing down, passing away. Energy bandu ange passing away. It is going away. Energy bandu it is passed. It is passing away. But in the surface wave, longitudinal wave, what happened? Whatever is happening to a very great extent. Okay, causing damage to very great extent. So damage to this area. The energy full agi ille destruction ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It's not traveling. All energy no ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It is spoiling this surface. Understood? So this is a surface wave. Next, earthquake are very dangerous and destructive. They cause large scale deaths, loss of property, landslide, floods, damages to the bridge, roads and railway lines. These are it causes so one if what is that? Richter scale. Richter scale. Richter scale is there. In the Richter scale, 100 light ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ it is vibration. You can feel the vibration. 200 some vessels are coming down. 3 means
it is more than
some extra time. Okay, 1 second, 2 seconds, you can feel the vibration. 4, 5, so it depends. Cracks blow. Small into
in this when building gets cracked, which shape is followed in that one?
which
The building is reason for that
crack because any vibration, these three are responsible. Okay, if longitudinal waves are there, surface waves are there, then more damages. Okay, transversal loop, you can have the cracks in the buildings. Okay, in the primary waves also you can feel the vibration. But what is the difference? The wave is traveling matra. More discussion is there. In all the three waves, this discussion is there. But what it says, ಎಂಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, how the vibration is traveling ಅಂತ ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will fall down.
How to know that this is now your earthquake has come in which wave is present?
That can be told by the seismic who studies about the earthquake. They only can tell us. Okay, we can't say. We can only measure the strength of the earthquake. We can only measure the This is the way you sit properly. Okay. Only you can tell what is the strength of the earthquake. With young primary wave or secondary wave, we can't tell. Okay. Depending upon the destruction, buildings, big buildings fall down. We can say it is some 8 to 9 and 1, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Understood? If this one only crack and 4 to 5, 4 and 5 can say only crack is there. There is no fallen of building and there. You can say 4 and 5. Cracks on the road 4 and 5. Okay, this is what. See, tsunami is earthquake. Tsunami is caused by the earthquake only. Happened in the below the sea. Okay, below the sea. Okay, we can see the destruction or vibration on the surface alva on land. Same destruction or vibration can felt in the sea also. It's come under big amount of energy alva. I told you no. Surface wave it is longitudinal or transversal. Okay. When these waves comes out, what happens? Pushes the water. Pushes the water. This water this travel. Water travel madididare it should not be a transverse because transversely secondary waves travel madudilla illi liquid. So liquid only primary waves comes. It is a primary wave travel madutta ide. It is solid, liquid and gas. That is the primary wave. Understood, children? Tsunami comes because of a primary wave only, not because of a secondary. Because secondary wave annadu it will not travel in the water. Okay, water is secondary wave travel madudilla. So primary wave matra. Okay, when it comes, so it just comes with the huge energy. Energy push part, energy from bottom of the earth, so pushing the earth is pushing the waves, water traveling, comes with a big, huge wave. Okay, tsunami is the Japanese name is called harbor waves. Just keep in mind that. Tsunami is also called as harbor waves. Okay? That's okay, they TSANG. What is it? San word. San is TSANG. Okay, it is a san. Okay, then as I told you, as volcanoes are there, as volcanoes we have one belt. So when I break something, when I break a mirror, it will break like if any rock don't do rock crack ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು one side ಮಾತ್ರ it will get crack, not this powder ಆಗಲ್ಲ. When you hit the rock, what happens? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ರಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಕ್ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? that is a weaker sections. ಆ weaker point ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ earthquake ಆಗಲಿ volcano ಆಗಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. weaker ಅಲ್ವಾ? So whatever movement ಆಗ್ತದೆ easily come to the crack, waves ಆಗಲಿ. Okay, waves, whatever waves are there, whatever the volcanoes pressure, it will come easily to the crack. A belt we can find. So here and there, volcanoes are earthquake. As I told you on that day, tsunami has come till Chennai beach, Chennai coastal line. It has not crossed our India. It has taken some other way and reached the Gujarat. So this is a very, because earthquake volcanoes ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ the whole world. ಆ ಬೆಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ you can see the, you can feel the crack a lot. So crack ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ you can find the earthquake and the volcanoes. Okay, so while building constructing and building a house, we have to see whether our that plot is on the earthquake belt. A belt and India north south in area they don't see, but it is you can have the more danger on the north India. So only you can find this earthquake zone. Earthquake zone. Okay. Yes. Because I told you the sound. If I see again you talking and doing something, I'll make you sit down and do. Or go back home. Okay? Huh? Yawning and sitting like a home. Yes. What is the belt? The circum-Pacific belt. I told you the same belt where volcanoes also occur. Just you can see the. You can just refer it. Volcanoes link belt is the same belt. What is it? Circum-Pacific belt. Same belt is for the volcanoes also. So any weaker ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ volcanoes ಆಗ್ತದೆ, earthquake ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Regions we have to plan. New Zealand, Philippines, Japan, USA and Peru. These are the belting like is traveling. Okay. Next, Mediterranean belt. Same belt you can see in the volcanoes also. Alva? Same belt, same region, same weaker place belt. Regions around the Mediterranean Sea. Next is a Himalayan belt. I told you that Himalaya the southern part of India, adella ಒಂದು single piece. A piece ಬಂದು piece of land that start from some other place. ಬಂದು it is coming and hitting this place. Himalaya region ಇದೆಲ್ಲ Chinese China ಬಂದು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಣ್ಣು ಇದೆಲ್ವಾ ಮಣ್ಣು it has when it is coming near the ಮಣ್ಣು ಹಂಗೆ it has lifted up as a Himalaya. Now they say that Himalaya is growing. It not grow ಒಂದು land ಒಂದು rock grow ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾ? How is it? Ice can why they say that the Himalaya is growing? This piece of land coming near, what happened? It's going on lifting. In near barta ideo, and it's going on lifting the mass land, Patna. It's going on lifting it. That is why Himalaya is going some centimeter, 1 centimeter. It's going every year. It's growing since. Okay. Understood, children? This is the so our place, so weaker place, alva? Because adu gap actually, adu see, alva? Two land mass matra is coming closer, but still Himalaya is weaker. Upper mere Himalaya, but bottom part is weaker only, no? Sir, no. Mere weather because there is a big huge Himalaya can find, but the bottom, you see the inside the surface. So again two plates matra, but two land mass matra, alva? That is weaker alva. So we should not is a earthquake prone zone those things are. Okay?
Ma'am, where is Shivalika?
Huh? Shivalika. It is the see Himalaya is see. What is this? If you want to go, you can go out. See, this is the land mass alva. See, water is joining the sea. The sea, okay? The river water is joining the sea. So it is just coming in there. Okay? So when it is coming together, fold to fold, it is not raised like that. Okay? When it is coming together, ella mannu ange taponu, it is not coming to up. It comes in a fold. Okay? One fold, two fold, three fold. Himalaya is a three fold. Threefold. First is Himachal, Himadri, Himachal, Shivalika. It is a fold. It is a parallel. This is Himadri, Himachal, Shivalika. So it's a three parallel. It's parallel. Okay? I'll tell you about it. I will tell. One boy is shouting that time is up, and another is discussing about that very deeply. I will tell. Don't open your mouth. Time up, huh? Let anybody comes, I will just leave. My Hindi only, no? Then why is shouting there?
No, break, remember. No, break, remember.
Sit here. Don't know break for you.